Hey there, Andre. So in your question, the function is a cubic function. So if you have a look here, f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 8x. So it looks like a positive cubic function. So hypothetically, let's say it looks something like this, right? What the question's asking you is that find the values of the x-axis. So let's say I draw my x-axis. Let's do this. Okay, so I don't know if this is what it looks like. Let's just say it looks like this. Okay. What they're trying to say is that on the x-axis, find which tangent to the curve that makes an angle of 45 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. Means that when you draw a tangent line, say, I don't know, I'm going to make a point here. Find where on the x-axis of this x value here at x equals a, and maybe there's another point, but how many x values are there such that the angle that it makes, so the angle that the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, if it said negative direction of the x-axis, then you'll be looking at this angle. Okay, because that's with the negative direction of the x-axis. So in your scenario, you found out that there was -3. So say this was -3. Maybe this was at -3, and the other one was at 1. I know it's not to scale, but let's just say 1 was over here. Maybe at 1, you also have a gradient that is also parallel. Okay, that's not a very good way of explaining it, but if you can imagine having the same gradient, say, I don't know, at this point here, whoops, that means that you can have two lines or two x coordinates at both x equals to, I'm just going to fix that and just say the -3 is here. Okay, so you can see visually, I can have two x values where the gradient will make a 45-degree angle, 45-degree angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. So that's why you wouldn't discount -3. 1 is a possible answer, but you can have two parallel lines that have the same gradient and therefore the same angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, so you found two values, and that's why we keep the -3.